Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm the Cuban Geek and today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to solve the periodic table cube. So first, the step one is with the steps that I follow, instead of making the white cross, I make the entire white side. So boron and carbon mix up with helium right here. So boron and helium matches up with elements number 2 and 5 matches up. And then we will have the beryllium. As you can see, beryllium. And then we will have hydrogen. And then we will add the final edge for the white base, which is oxygen. For the fluorine, it gets 10 times easier when you know the periodic table. As you can see, the white face or the blue face is done. Now, up next, we have to solve the second layer. If you did not see my 3x3 tutorial yet, please watch the video now. It will make it 10 times easier. So, then indium/magnesium into certain pieces. So if you watch my 3x3 video, by the way, then you probably notice that algorithm. Then we will do the same thing with antimony and aluminum. The same thing for chromium and zirconium. And then you probably know this algorithm. Use that to solve the green side. And then yeah, you probably saw my algorithms there. And then you just do the simple. Remember, it goes 10 times easier when you know how to solve a normal 3x3. So please guys, just watch my 3x3 video and then move on to this one. There will be more and more 3x3 shape mod videos, tutorial coming up, so please stay tuned for those. For now, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. We're trying to reach 40,000 subscribers at the end of the year, and follow for more tutorials and cubing videos.